What's the meaning of bulgar? Bulgar. Bulgar.
Bulgar. Bulgar. The term bulgar has multiple meanings depending on the context in which it is used. One of the most common meanings refers to a type of cracked wheat that is commonly used in Middle Eastern and Mediterranean cuisine. This type of bulgur is made from whole wheat grains that have been parboiled, dried, and then ground into small pieces. It is often used as a base for salads, stews, and grain-based dishes. In addition to this culinary meaning, bulgur can also refer to the Bulgars, a Turkic people who played a significant role in the early history of Europe.